class final. Salamat Pia sa pag-assist. And then Pipoy Octave. So intermediate class final hit. So Rayo Ipanag. And then Friends Kira Magwal. Marilis. Shout out. Kiram Pakwan. Shout out. James Malaysia. Alto 5. Carlos Celestino, PG Galia, San Mamarel, and David Malgapo. So sila po yung tatakbo sa intermediate production final hit here in Barangay San Isidro, Montalban, Rizal. Davis Cup qualifying for Thailand. So James Maniquez and then Cedric Marquez. Ayan, no? So CCH Invitational Motocross Competition, TC Toto Sports Promotion. Yan.
We would also like to thank
Green flag is up. Ayan na. Wow. All shot. All shot by Kiram Magwal. Yan. Carrera Celestino, Kiram Magwal, Cedric Marquez. Ayan. Op. Yan. Cedric Marquez. Kiram Magwal, Cedric Marquez, Carrera Celestino, David Malgapo, San Mamarel, Rayo Ipanag, and then James Maniquez. Yan. Wow. Kiram Magwal leading, followed by Cedric Marquez. Yan.
again the intermediate category.
Wow, Cedric Marquez versus Kiram Magwal. Wow, Carlos Celestino third. Ayan, San Mamaril. Ayan.
Still Kiram Magwal on the lead.
Kiram Magwal on the lead, followed by Cedric Marquez, Carlos Celestino, San Mamaril, and Rayo Ipanag. On 7, it's... Sino ba to? Hindi ko kilala. Ayan, intermediate production final. Wow, 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 wow. Hindi ka na doon, Cedric Marquez. Ayan. Six laps ata guys, 6 laps. Ayan. So since leading, it's Cedric Marquez. Since Lawrence leading, Jetrick Marquez, and then Kiram Magwal on second. Carl Reyes Celestino on third. David Malgapo, San Mamaril. Ayan. San Mamaril on fifth, Rayo Ipanag on sixth. Ayan. Ayan. Sumemplang PG Galya siguro. Ayan. Sumidikit si Rayo Ipanag kay San Mamaril. Ayun. Wow. Ayan. Wow. Inside Rayo, outside San Mamaril. Wow. So James Jetrick Marquez, Kiram Magwal, Carl Celestino, Dapo, San Mamaril, and Rayo. Yan po yung top 6. Wow! Oy! 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 Munti ka na doon, Carl Reyes Celestino. Munti ka na doon, ha? Outside, Zan, inside Rayo. Ayan. Inside, outside. Ayan. Wow, white flag, white flag, white flag, white flag, white flag. White flag, white flag. White flag, white flag. Ayan. Jetrick Marquez, Kiram Magwal, Carl Celestino, Dapo. Rayo na on fifth, pero andyan lang sa likuran, San Mamaril. Boy, layo na na. Ayan, inside. Wow, kuha. Ayan. Kuha na naman. Carl Reyes Celestino. Ayan, maganda makbakan. Oh, inside. Ayan. Wow, oy, oy. Oy, oy, oy. Checkered flag, Jetrick Marquez. Followed by Kiram Magwal, David Malgapo, Rayo Ipanag on 5th, San Mamaril on 6th. Ayan. So on 6 it's San Mamaril. Ayan, magandang bakbakan guys. So thank you for watching. Please share this video. So thank you.